I hate people that do this shit, bro. Don't cut your grass and throw it all in the fucking highway. What's going on, YouTube? So we are out here at the Respect Show once again. I come every year. It's a little bit of a different scene, so you might not see a whole lot of JDM stuff, but it be a lot of money put into some of these cars. So really want to keep your mind and your stuff open, and don't expect like HD type of stuff, because it be some out of this world building going on out here. But there is a really clean Infiniti back here, boosted something. That thing is really nice, so I might try to get a little B-roll of it. But yeah, let's see what kind of cars they got out here. That bitch tough. Oh my god. Oh my god. That shit. I don't know who Boosted Q is, but I mean, that thing is tough. Man, they Infiniti wheels. Like, it ain't even nothing. Like, it's.
Oh, they try to be like, man.
Damn. That shit tough. And like, look, you can see the blow off shit up in there. The wastegate sticking out. Bruh. Yes. That shit tough. Big brake kit. Damn, boy. That shit's nice. You can smell it. guys, it is hot, but we did get us a funnel cake, so no loss here for the day. It is now almost 1 o'clock. We got here around 10-ish. About 10-ish. So yeah, I think we gave it a strong 3 hours. Strong 3 hours, man. That was pretty good. I don't know how much video I got, so I don't know if this is gonna be it or not, but I guess we'll see by the time I go back through everything, what else we do, and I'll probably end up giving a update on the CB7 as well.
Oh shit! Front row!
I said, she boy, goddamn, that bitch been to the track too. Damn, son. 2 Jay-Z, no shit. Shit.
Alright, so you talking about age and you taking the hood off? This man is every bit of 50-something or 60-something and still taking his hood off. You got it in.
I got plenty of years left.
You got plenty of years taking the hood off.
Damn. What is going on YouTube? So back at the house now, and I got a little bit of work I need to do on this H2B. So I drove it yesterday, got it out, stretched his legs, took it to work and stuff, and getting off work, I said, well, I'll go ahead and fill it up. I do have a bit of E85 right here, but it had a half a tank of gas in it, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and fill the car up. Long story short, as I top the car off, I'm sitting and I'm talking to my boy DJ, and there's like a line, like a pool of gas or E85 just running back this way. And I'm like, oh my God, what the hell is it coming from? So upon further inspection, there was gas seeping out the front half of this, like the pump hanger setup. It was seeping right out right here and running forward off the gas tank and hitting the ground. So initially I was thinking maybe it was because I was missing a bolt right here, which you see that nut is a little different than the rest of them. But after finding it and tightening it down, it still didn't fix it. So then I took the whole assembly out, and it looked like I actually maybe crushed a wire between the gasket and the actual tank, and maybe that deformed the gasket and now it won't seal properly. But I don't know for sure. Sometimes I guess these go bad, so what I ended up doing is I've actually got a fresh gasket, and I'm gonna just go ahead and replace this gasket entirely. It came with the little nuts right here and everything, so hopefully this thing will be sealed 100% by the time we're finished here. I think I pinched like a wire up in that gasket. Well, if you look right here, you can see that indention in it right there, and then it's another one. You see both of these indentions right up in here. So there's one right there, and then there's another one kind of down below it. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but yeah, that's where I think that's what messed us up, because once it crinkled that, when I opened it and saw the wire was there, when I put it in the tank, it still didn't make a difference because it had already pretty much molded this to the shape of the wire. So hoping that this will fix our leak. The first step that I got to get over is that damn banjo connection, because that thing started leaking yesterday too, and it sealed itself up by the time I got home, but it was leaking a little bit up there. So hopefully that doesn't leak, and then we'll just have to slosh it around. I got some more 85, I'm gonna top it back off and see that we got any leaks again. So fingers crossed, it was a $5 fix and we can move on and keep beating on the car. Okay, well, she's maxed out. Damn. Yeah, I put way too much in at that time. But she's maxed out now, so if she's gonna leak, she's gonna leak now. Oh boy. So far so good, guys. Yep. Looks all dry. She would have been pissing out the front right there by now if it wasn't sealed good. So she is definitely doing her job. No more leaks, boys. So the issue was, and I never noticed this, but the person before me that had this car, they actually had two of these smushed on the top of the banjo and nothing sealing the bottom two. So really it's a miracle that it even sealed at all, because this little crush washer is pretty much like key in getting those two surfaces to make together. Once you tighten it down, it kind of smushes this. And see, this one was smushed on top with the top one. So both crush washers was together, and nothing was on the bottom half. So yeah, it's amazing that this thing never, well, it might have had a small leak and I just never saw it, but good thing that I found it. So I had a spare one laying around, so I put that on the bottom. I pulled one of the ones off the top, and she's good to go. So I left the little cover off. I'm gonna try to set the camera up, and we'll do my little circle and get a couple pulls in and match the brake to see if it sloshes the gas out the tank like it used to. So we're back home, no leaks. Everything looks beautiful. Everything is dry. So, yep, I think we got that fixed, man. Glad it was simple. Top's back on. And yeah, guys, that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. A little update on the CB7. They are working on it. They didn't start on it till about Thursday, this past Thursday. Today's Saturday. This video will probably go up maybe tonight, probably most likely Monday. So yeah, they didn't get started on it until Thursday, so it's a week behind what I thought they were gonna start on it, so it's gonna take a little longer. And on top of that, it's gonna cost a whole lot more than I thought. So yeah, I was thinking about doing maybe some, like a limited run of some shirts, because I don't know, y'all probably can't read that because it's backwards, but anyway, yeah. So I might end up doing a run of shirts for the CB7 turbo build, something like special to the CB7. And if anybody would be interested in purchasing one, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to figure out. I might do pre-orders, or I might do like a set amount, maybe like 20 or something like that. So if y'all would be interested, let me know in the comments, and I might try to do that so that it'll help pay for this, because this thing is costing a whole lot more than what I thought I was gonna have to spend as far as getting it fab, because I figured with all the parts and stuff, I didn't think it would take a whole lot. I mean, it's an eBay turbo setup in a CB7, which has been done plenty of times, so I figured it, I don't know, I just figured it'd be a little cheaper. But anyway, it's getting done, everything is happening, so hopefully in the next video or so we can give y'all some actual footage of the updates and stuff. Maybe they'll be got a little farther, so stay tuned for that. But if you enjoyed the old H2B content and that little bit of show stuff that we got earlier, make sure you smack the like button for me. And as always, respect our bills. Peace out.